Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So, today I am making a blue butterfly painting with watercolor. So, let's start it. I have already sketched my butterfly, so I am using watercolor. I have first taken the blue color and green color and mixed them well together to make one color. So, now we will mix a little bit of this color and apply it to the sheet with water. First, we will paint the wings of the middle of the butterfly with a light blue color. Now, in the two lower wings, in the same way, this color, blue color, will be used highlightly so all the wings are colored. And now, we are going to use a little bit of dark color again on it, like this. So now we have left the color in the side of the wings, this wings. Now we will do black color in it. With the same black color we will make an outline in the side of the wings. Now we will do the same black color on the second one in the same way. These are very simple paintings, you must try them. So in those that we are left at the bottom, we will also make the black color in this way and keep it a little dark so that the butterfly is highlighted well. Now I will add brown color to the remaining part of the butterfly seed. With the same brown color, I will make an outline on the side of the butterfly. This way, the butterfly will be highlighted. Do not use too much dark brown color, just use a little bit of color just to give a touch. Now with black color, I will make the antennae of the butterfly. Now I will make the design by lining the butterfly wings with black pointer like this. Now I will make an outline once all around with black pointers. So my butterfly painting is ready. If you guys like it, please let me know. Please subscribe my channel, like and share.